Welcome to part 3 of the introduction for 3ds Max. In this video, we will learn a bit more about viewports. You can change how you see the viewports by pressing on this button right here, or as I've shown you in part 1 of the introduction, by pressing Alt-W. Also, if you want to make one specific viewport bigger, you can just keep your mouse pointer over one of them and press Alt-W. This way you get to keep your selection, because if you click on a viewport before pressing Alt-W, your selection will be lost. You can also change the size of your viewports like this. Okay, so my perspective viewport is set on high quality with default shading. You can see that the sphere generates this shadow on my plane, which means that it takes more of my laptop's resources to make shadows, and this becomes a problem when you're working in big projects. There are a lot of ways to view your shapes, of course. You can try and explore all of them. Tip from us: try to keep your perspective viewport on standard with edged faces. I think that this is the ideal way to work because it's easy for the computer and also shows you everything you need to see about an object. If you want to change between wireframe and default shading, which you are using now, you can just press F3 for wireframe, and the shortcut for edged faces is F4. Check out the next tutorial to learn how to navigate better, select and manipulate objects. Also, check us out on Instagram and Facebook for the latest updates on what we're gonna do next.